Now today we are going to discuss a new topic that is called differentiability. Now first we will discuss what is basically differentiability means. Then we will discuss few questions based on that differentiability topic. Now let us start with the video. Now differentiability basically means differentiability. The word differentiability basically means tangent. So tangent of what? And what is tangent? So let us draw this, or let us understand this entire thing with a graph. So if we consider our coordinate axis, this is your y-axis and this part is your x-axis. And if we draw any curve, so if we draw any curve like this, so differentiation basically means drawing a tangent at that point. So differentiation, what does the word differentiation basically means? Differentiation, the word differentiation means that we are basically drawing a tangent to that curve at that point. So in this particular case, if we are considering the point to be A, so we are drawing the tangent at the point A. In this case, we are drawing the tangent at the point B. So these are the points at which we are drawing the tangent. So what does differentiation means? Differentiation basically means drawing the tangent. So what is differentiability mean? Now with differentiability, we need to take one more example, that suppose we are considering a curve like this. Now in this particular case, there is a point x is equals to a. Now I am basically comparing two different curves, where this one is your x-axis and this one is your y-axis. Now in this particular case, what we are seeing, that this is a continuous curve and that is a discontinuous curve. Now in the continuous curve, if we want to draw the tangent at the point A, we will say that let us take a point that is just before this A. So let us consider a point that is this point. Now this point, and let us consider one more point that is just after A. So this point. So the point that is just after A is called A plus H, and the point that is present before A is called A minus H. Now if we draw the line, or if we draw the perpendicular from this point, we will try to draw the tangent at this point. Now since we are drawing the tangent at this point and this point, suppose the tangent is this one, and over here also the tangent is this one. Now if we draw the tangent like this, since both the tangents are not equal, we will say that that point is not differentiable. So this is the basic meaning of differentiation. We will consider a point A minus H, we will consider a point A plus H, and at those 2 points we will draw the tangent. If the tangents are not equal, we will say that it is not differentiable. This is the basic concept that we are going to discuss with the help of graph. Let us take one more example over here. Let us take this point B. Now in this particular case, again we will take a point. This point is B plus H. We will take another point. So this point is B minus H, and we will draw the tangent at this point. So let me remove the tangent at the point B. We will draw the tangent at this point. Let the tangent be this one, and we will draw the tangent at this point. Let the tangent be this one. Suppose, take an example. In this particular case also, if we draw like this, we will understand that tangents are not equal. But let me consider one more point. Suppose we are taking this curve like this. So in this particular case, if we are considering the point, suppose this C, a point that is just after this is C plus H. A point that is just before this, let me draw the curve properly. Now a point that is just before it is C minus H. So if we draw the tangent at this point, and if we draw the tangent with another marker I am taking, if we draw the tangent at this point, so we are basically get the same tangent. So this is differentiable. So you understood the basic meaning of differentiability. Differentiability basically means if we take 2 points one point just before and one point just after, and we draw the tangent at those 2 points, and if we check whether those 2 tangents are same or not, then only we can say that those are differentiable. I hope you already understood this entire concept with the help of graph. We will see this entire thing, differentiability part, with the help of formula also. Now let us understand differentiability with the help of formula. Now in the case of differentiability, we need to think about 2 things. The first one is called the left hand derivative, that we write as left hand derivative. We write this as h tends to 0 negative limit f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. Now why it is 0 negative? Because we are thinking about the left hand side, and left hand side is always negative. Now what is this point? This point is c plus h. That means in the previous part when we were discussing about the graph, we were considering a point that is c plus h. Now this is c plus h and this point is c. So the difference of that is very small. So we are just thinking about the difference of the functions. Function at the point c plus h and the function at the point c, divided by the limit part, that is h over here. This left hand derivative, in short we write this as LHD, left hand derivative. Now the next thing that we need to discuss is right hand derivative. Now let us see what is right hand derivative. Now right hand derivative means h tends to 0 positive limit f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. Now we are going to take the same interval f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. So this is called the right hand derivative, also known as RHD. Now in the case of differentiability, if the LHD is equals to RHD, that means the left hand derivative is equals to the right hand derivative, then only we will say that the function is differentiable. This is the mathematical way, or using the formula we are going to find out whether the function is differentiable or not. So in the next video we are going to see examples based on this topic.